How to start a drone business. This video is designed to help you plan and start a drone business. At the end of the video you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative professional, or someone looking for a new venture, starting a drone business can be a rewarding and profitable endeavor. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to get your drone business off the ground. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the industry. Before launching any business, it's crucial to gain a deep understanding of the industry you're entering. Research the current drone market, analyze your potential competitors, and identify your target audience. This knowledge will help you shape your business strategy and set realistic goals. Step 2. Obtain the necessary certifications. Operating a drone business requires compliance with legal regulations. Ensure that you obtain the required certifications and licenses to fly drones commercially in your country or region. For example, in the United States, you'll need to obtain a Part 107 remote pilot certificate from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. Familiarize yourself with the rules and regulations to operate within the law and maintain a good reputation. Step 3. Build your skill set. To provide high-quality services, you need to master the art of drone piloting. Dedicate time to practice and improve your skills in different flight modes and scenarios. Understanding the technical aspects of drones and how to operate them safely is crucial. Additionally, consider honing your photography or videography skills if you plan to offer aerial photography or videography services. Step 4. Define your services. Determine the specific services you'll offer with your drone business. Some popular options include aerial photography, videography, mapping and surveying, inspection services, and even drone delivery. Understand the needs of your target audience and tailor your services to meet their requirements. This will help you differentiate yourself from the competition and attract clients. Step 5. Build a strong portfolio. A portfolio showcasing your work is crucial to attracting clients. Invest time in creating high-quality samples of your services. Capture stunning aerial shots and demonstrate your expertise in different areas. A strong portfolio will help you build credibility and convince potential clients to choose your services over others. Step 6. Invest in quality equipment. A successful drone business relies on having reliable and high-quality equipment. Research and invest in a professional-grade drone that suits your specific needs. Consider factors like flight time, camera capabilities, payload capacity, and durability. Additionally, don't forget to stock up on spare parts and accessories to ensure uninterrupted operations. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy. To reach your target audience, you need an effective marketing plan. Establish an online presence through a professional website and social media channels. Showcase your portfolio, provide information about your services, and engage with your audience. Consider leveraging search engine optimization, SEO, paid advertising, and collaborations with other professionals or businesses to boost your visibility. Step 8. Provide excellent customer service. Building strong relationships with your clients is crucial for long-term success. Ensure that you communicate clearly, respond promptly to inquiries, and provide a seamless and enjoyable experience. Happy clients are more likely to recommend your services to others and become repeat customers. And there you have it, the essential steps to start your own drone business. Remember, it's important to continuously educate yourself, adapt to industry trends, and improve your skills. Starting a drone business can be challenging, but with the right mindset and dedication, it can also be a fulfilling and profitable venture. Good luck on your journey. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.